Hi, boys and girls. Glad you came to school today. This is the final video for distance learning in the 2019-2020 school year. Remember that sound? Time to come to order and get to business. I have a long list of things I need to talk with you about. The most important thing is that someone from your family shows up on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, May 19th. And it's a very short window of time to pick up your personal belongings. I'm going to be there in the parking lot for a drive-through. You won't have to get out of your car from 10:20 to 10:50. And that is the only time you can pick up your personal belongings at this time. If you don't make it, then your stuff will be stored and you can get it when we return to school sometime in August. We do not know the exact start date of school yet because Albuquerque Public Schools is working on figuring out what we're going to do when school resumes for the 2020-2021 school year. So please show up Tuesday at 10:30. If you have a Chromebook, you must also return the Chromebook and the charger. Don't forget the charger at that same time. There'll be a table to collect them from you as you drive through the parking lot. Also, Principal Sanchez has procured some games. I'm not quite sure. They're a learning game of some type that she is planning on giving out to the families. She says she has enough for all the students. We'll see. In your big white garbage bag of personal belongings, you will find your workbooks, your iReady math and reading workbooks. I urge you to please work in them and complete them. We had almost completed the reading book. There were only 2 lessons left, and the math book still had some lessons, but they happened to be on subjects that are, I feel, are a little bit easier: geometry and measurement and data. So I urge you to complete those workbooks so you finished all the 4th grade standards. Let's see, what else? So please read books this summer. Keep reading and practice your times tables. Some other things to know is that please have your parents or guardians register you for the new school year. We need to know if you're coming back to us. So you can do that by having your parent or guardian go to aps.edu and click on Families and Parents, and then go to the registration icon. If you've never done it before, you have to create an account. It's quite simple, and it gives instructions on how to do that. And register for the 2020-2021 school year. You'll be 5th graders. Everyone has been promoted to the 5th grade. If you have any library books that weren't in your desk, please bring them and turn them in on Tuesday, May 19th at 10:30. Any library books that I found in your desk were put in a box and returned to the library. However, I noticed some people didn't have library books in their desk, or some people only had one library book. And if you happen to have a library book, please turn it in at that time. Or any books you may have borrowed from my library in the classroom too, please. They usually have my name stamped in them, or they might say property of Albuquerque Public Schools. Please return those books. Let's see. And now I'm going to announce the top 5 prize winners on Class Dojo for distance learning. So these are the students with the top points that they earned from attending the class Google meetings on Fridays. You get a point. Doing your writing assignments, reading assignment, and math assignments. Even if you turned them in late, I gave you a point for doing that. And the top five are top score of the whole class was Marion with 17 points. And then we have Manny, Jesselyn, Aiden, and Jeremiah V. And I'm very proud of you students for turning the most work in during distance learning. All right. Lastly, to wrap up, I hope you and your family stay safe this summer. I hope you keep learning this summer. And I want you to come see me when we do come back to school in August. You will be notified of when school starts. Let's see. Because we're not, rather, APS, Albuquerque Public School, are still trying to determine how we can come back to school safely. We may be doing more online learning. It may be a combination of both. So I look forward to seeing you again. It's been a wonderful year. I've really enjoyed being your teacher. I can't wait to see you thrive in the fifth grade. And have a great summer. Look forward to seeing you in the fall. Thanks. Oh, maybe I'll hit this one more time just to say goodbye. Have a great summer, kids.